Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanjay Rampal, and you are watching PPT News. On our channel, you will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are always dedicated to presenting the latest news to you. So come know about today's major news. दैनिक जागरण अर्पण campaign reaches second phase. दैनिक जागरण अर्पण campaign has raised new hopes in the society. This campaign has now entered its second phase and is being pursued everywhere. People from every section of the society are participating in this campaign with great enthusiasm and extending the helping hand to the needy. Charkhi Dadri. ASI Lakshmi Narayan, along with his soldiers, extended his support to this campaign. He said this program of Dainik Jagran is very commendable and is working to give a new direction to the society. Balbir Singh from the Intelligence Department also expressed his feelings and said Dainik Jagran's Arpan campaign is inspiring. No amount of praise is enough for this work of social service. This campaign is presenting as an example of unity and humanity in the society. This effort of Dainik Jagran is getting full support from the people, due to which help is being delivered to the needy quickly. If you are also want to join this campaign, then join this campaign and bring smile on the faces of needy people. To save animals from the grip of cold, cattle farmers should increase the quantity of fodder. As the cold is increasing, animals are also getting affected by disease due to weather change, due to which the milk capacity of milk animals has started decreasing. In such a situation, it is very important to protect animals from cold along with humans in winter season. Special care should be taken of milk and small animals in cold. To save animals from the cold, the Animal Husbandry Department has warned the cattle farmers that they can save their animals from getting sick in cold by taking special precautions. Deputy Director of Animal Husbandry Department Dr. Jaswant June said that in cold weather, especially small animals become victims of pneumonia and symptoms of cold start appearing in being animals. Keep the enclosure covered. Former all scientists ensure that animal urine does not collect in the enclosure. Pay special attention to cleanliness. Cover the animal with blankets that the animals out when the out. Keep their enclosure warm at night. If it is very cold, keep the enclosure ventilated so that there is no suffocation inside. Keep straw millet stalks are stable on the ground at the place where the animal is tied and clean it daily. Give normal temperature water to the animal. Avoid giving water from a well. Feed the animal straw in large quantity. Feed 250 and 50 of mineral mixture to the animal every day. Feed milk to small animals in proper quantity. They also keep deworming in the animals from time to time. Do not extract a entire milk for 3-4 days, otherwise the animals may fall ill.